Efficiency of digital teaching emergency on students' quality learning outcomes in Saudi universities during COVID-19 pandemic. By Awad H. Al-Shahri and Omar Ali Al-Rafia. The present study aimed to determine the efficiency degree of emergency digital teaching during the COVID-19 pandemic in achieving students' quality learning outcomes. The study has the potential to enrich the theoretical literature on managing the teaching and learning processes during crisis to help faculty and students adapt to emergency conditions. It clarifies the importance of planning and preparation for non-traditional learning environments based on modern technologies. Several studies have proven the usefulness of modern education forms such as distance education, online education and e-learning, and their effectiveness in developing both academic achievement and attitudes toward learning. To achieve this aim, the researcher used a descriptive method. A 23-item survey was developed and answered by 360 teaching staff in some Saudi universities who were part of the study population from 2021 to 2022. According to the research sample, emergency digital education during the COVID-19 epidemic was of moderate efficiency in learning outcomes. The arithmetic mean of this dimension was 3.41. Meanwhile, the result exhibited a statistically significant effect at the significance level, alpha less than or equal to 0.05, for the years of experience variable. The study results showed that emergency digital teaching had an impact on developing some positive values among students, such as taking responsibility for self-learning and striving to solve problems arising from the use of technology. Furthermore, the results identified factors that could have influenced the efficiency degree of emergency digital teaching during the COVID-19 pandemic in achieving students' quality learning outcomes. The second dimension averaged high, reaching 3.72. The study came out with executive recommendations based on its results. The study also showed Saudi universities' general lack of readiness for modern education forms that use technologies.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe for watch more scientific research video.